Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you guys can see, I just accepted and installed Android Q Beta 6. So we are right around the corner from the full-fledged release of Android Q or Android 10. And still no name yet as to like what dessert name it's going to be. And I think I missed that about Android. I remember when they used to do so many different like things, little video clips that they shared on YouTube of them trying to figure out the name of the next Android operating system. I think that kind of died down. So I would love to see that come back. But anyways, so here it is, Android beta program. And this is Q Beta 6. And this is just going to be like what I can notice off jump of what's changed. If there's anything that's like majorly changed, but I don't think there's going to be too much of major changes, only because with the beta 5 and beta 6, usually it's just ironing out more bugs. They pretty much have like the full-fledged of like what it's going to look like pretty much with Q beta 4. So here we are. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just change up everything real quick. Let me just lower down the brightness, and we're gonna go into the settings, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my preferences with Android 10. And obviously you guys know what that means. It means enabling dark mode. So we're going to enable dark mode completely. That way it saves on battery. There we go. Boom. Dark mode. It's there. Let's see. What else is there? We're going to change the gestures. So we're going to go ahead and put that to full gesture mode. So now that we have that, swipe back. And we got the little home button at the bottom. So let's see. You guys have it, Android 10. It says system up to date with security patch August 1st. So let's see. Let's go in about device here. Make sure I don't give out my phone number. And here we are. Okay. There we have it. QPP6 dot. Yeah, you guys get it. So yeah, the build number for beta 6. So unlock developer mode, as I want to go ahead and change the accent and the icons, which you can find that in developer options. That's not anything new, but if you didn't know from previous beta versions, you can actually scroll all the way to the bottom of developer options. You can change the font and the accent colors. They have more now than what they did when they first introduced it. I think it was in beta 3 or beta 4 or beta 2, one of those. They had like, I think, like 3 different accent colors. Now they have a lot more, so these are all the different ones here. I'm just going through them, but I'll probably choose Orchid. So there we go. We have Orchid, and icon shape, let's do teardrop. So we'll go back. And that's one thing I noticed here. I don't know if you guys saw that, but when you're back at the home screen, the little line or home button, whatever you guys want to call it, for the gesture, it actually goes away. I don't know if it did that in Q Beta 5, but I just noticed that now. So that little line underneath. And one of the major things about this is that Pokemon Go, if you play the game, is now compatible with Android Q Beta. You would have to actually check the Play Store or sideload it, and I sideloaded mine. So here it is, fully functional on Q Beta 6. And just to show you guys a version of Pokemon Go, you guys can find the APK file in APK Mirror, and there it is, 0.151.0. So that version of Pokemon Go is Q Beta compatible. So other people reported that it took a little longer for them to load up the game. It didn't take me that long, as you guys saw. It loaded pretty quick, and yeah, it's functioning just fine. So no issues there at all whatsoever. Yeah, so let's see. Well, I'm opening gifts here. I'll probably look more into it and see if there's anything specifically, changed or whatever. And if so, then I will report back with another video to show you guys what changed in Q Beta 6. But there shouldn't be major changes at all whatsoever. And that's just pretty much it. Q Beta 6 available now. Go ahead and check it. If you already have Q Beta, just do a system update. If not, go to g.co/Android Beta and opt in with your Pixel device, and then do a system update, and you should get Q Beta 6. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, and as always, aloha.